If you're considering making updates to your property for resale purposes, watch this video first. I get asked all the time about what updates people should make to their property to help increase their value, and for when the time comes for them to sell, it'll sell quickly so they don't have to wait around and sit on the market forever. To help make your decision a little bit easier, I went ahead and analyzed 20 of Brevard's most recently closed transactions between a $200,000 and $400,000 price point. I then scored each property based on the updates that have or have not been done to the property, and then categorized them by how long they sat on the market, as this is probably the truest way to find an indicator of what the consumer thinks about the property. Out of the 20 listings that I analyzed, 55% of those listings sold inside of a month. Let's find out why. Out of the properties analyzed that sold in less than 1 month, a whopping 78% of those had a roof that was 10 years old or newer. 17% of those properties had no updates whatsoever. 33% had a partially updated property such as a kitchen, and then 50% of those properties had a fully updated interior. 57% of those properties had an AC that was 10 years old or newer. 58% of those properties represented a 3-bedroom, 33% represented a 4-bedroom, and only 9% represented a 2-bedroom. Now this might be out of your control, but 33% of those properties, the front door faced south, and 25% of those properties, the front door faced north. Only 33% of those properties had a private pool. Based on the data, having a newer roof is going to give you the biggest edge when it comes time to sell on your property for the shortest amount of time possible. That is then followed by having a newer AC, and then having a fully renovated property, and then having a partially renovated property such as just your kitchen. And then there is no end then. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions about maybe renovations I didn't cover today, or things that I might be able to research, I would love the opportunity to do that for you. Just go ahead and comment on this video, or you can send me a DM on Facebook. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for engaging. Keep sharing these videos, and I will see you next week.